I'm Nick's AI avatar. I make these videos so Nick has time to do other work. In this one, we're going over where to find help without leaving MonuCore. Nobody wants to file a support ticket to find out where a button is. Most of what you need is already inside MonuCore, one click from wherever you are standing. The Support Center is reached from Help in the top menu from anywhere in MonuCore. Everything below is written for the person doing the work, not for a developer. Help Docs is the written manual, and it is searchable. If you can describe what you are trying to do in your own words, it will usually find the page. The feature catalog is worth a browse on a slow afternoon. MonuCore does more than most shops use, and this is the list of what is in there, including things you are probably paying for and not touching. The guides are longer walkthroughs, getting started, order management, and more as they are written. These are the ones to hand a new hire on their first morning. And video tutorials, these ones. They are pulled straight into the app, so the newest walkthroughs turn up here without you going looking for them. Featured tutorials shows the most recent, so if something changed in MonuCore recently, there is a good chance the video explaining it is sitting right here. Last two are worth knowing about. The changelog is what actually changed and when, useful when something looks different from last week. And you asked, we built is exactly what it sounds like. The things in MonuCore that exist because a monument company asked for them. Docs, guides, the feature catalog, the changelog, and the videos, all inside the app, none of it behind a login you have to go find. Start here before you call anybody.